Do you want to turn off your activity in the Instagram Friends tab? You can disable your likes and comments activity with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn off your activity in the Instagram Friends tab, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now, tap the three horizontal lines menu at the top right corner of your screen. A new settings screen appears with different options. Scroll down to the Who Can See Your Content section. Find and tap on Activity in Friends tab. Here, you will see different audience options. Select No One to completely hide your activity, such as posts you've liked or commented on, from appearing in the Friends tab.